I think we should address as computer science is the following. I think that very often people work with nice theory that is not always practically relevant. You have a lot of people that have been producing low-level theory in computer science. And on the other hand, here you have people who work on you have the opposite attitude. For instance, you have people that propose standards, and if I consider something like UML, for instance, it's impossible to formalize and to treat theoretically. So you should find the right balance. So on the one hand, you have people who are interested in doing nice theory that is not always practically relevant. And here I like this citation, this is from Paul Kruger, who is a Nobel Prize in economics. And of course, for the opposite attitude, okay, we should try to find some balance, and this is a very, very important question in computer science. So, is it possible to find a mathematically elegant and still practical theoretical framework for computer science? This is a question to which I don't have an answer for the moment. I think that we will never have a nice theory as we have in physics, for sure, classical physics, because here we model a world that is the product of an evolution. Somehow, I don't want to comment more on this. On computer science deals with building an artifact, and here the issue is constructivity. So, not how to describe and explain, but how to construct, and the problem will be how to build the cost-effective, correct systems. And the focus should be on this. Perhaps we have only recipes. We don't have the nice analytical models and the nice analytical approach, but this is the natural of systems we are starting. And I'm going to finish my presentation by talking about teaching computer science and give my point of view about that. Okay, relevant principles, relevant facts. Think in terms of systems. This is very, very important. And I think it's important also to keep the students aware of the limitations of existing theory of computing. Very often students do not understand this.